Velux. These come with a really nice, clearly marked set of fixings, good high quality screws, the brackets, and it's generally pretty clear where to sit these, how to fit them on. It's a bit like easier IKEA furniture, really. Slot that one in there. Slot one in there. And you literally can't go wrong. Do the same on the bottom. Screw them in, job done. Okay, so we put a couple of extra battens. We put one above and one below, and that's what those strips sit on. You basically just take it straight off that header plate there and off that bottom plate there. Right, we're going to lift the window up now. Right, so you can see that's sitting on there very nicely at the top, nice and snug on the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head inside the building and I'm going to tell Chris what the gap is either side. You want an even gap on either side. Top and bottom, doesn't matter. But either side, left and right, you want to have a nice even gap. Okay, so we need to come this way, just a little bit, not very much at all. A little bit more. Yeah, bang on. Okay, so you always start on the sides when you're putting plasterboard in because it's much easier that way. And you'll see we've put this one in. There is this little slot, this groove here, and it's even got an angle on it here. That's where the plasterboard actually slots up and into. Nice and tight, just up in there like that. There you go. And you get a slight angle on it like that, which lets in a bit more light. It looks really nice. Okay, Chris has measured and cut. And then he's done it with a slight chamfer as well. There's a slight angle on this piece. It slots up in there, nice and snug. Very nice. And then we can chamfer the chamfer here. Perfect. So what we'll do is we'll screw it in place, secure it in, and then we'll cut with the knife all the way across to get it perfectly flush with the one below. And again, there's a slight angle here, here, and here. Looks very nice. And that's that. Nice flush finish along the top, bottom, and the sides. A nice reveal. Slightly angled. It's a bit hard to see because of the light, but there's an angle on all four sides, which is just perfect. Gives a really nice finish to it. plasterer will be very happy with that.